vívoactive 3 Music supports music app feature. Please visit ConnectIQ to download the music app. This video uses Deezer Music as the demonstration. Due to the regional lockout, only select the music app that supports in your region. We begin with setting up Wi-Fi. Enter main menu on Garmin Connect mobile app. Tap your pair music watch. Select General. Enter Wi-Fi networks. Select Add a network. Choose a network. Select Connect. Successfully connected to Wi-Fi. You may also use Garmin Express to set up Wi-Fi. Connect your device with the computer. Open Garmin Express and enter the device. Select Tools and Content. Enter Find Networks to set up Wi-Fi. Scroll down to enter music menu from your screen. Enter menu. Select Manage. Enter music providers. Select Deezer. Searching for Wi-Fi network. Press Next. A notification will pop up on the screen. Sign in your Deezer account. Enter my playlist. Download your music from here. Select the playlist that you want to download. Select Done. Swipe to the right to begin syncing the music. A notification will remind you to charge your device near the Wi-Fi router. Press OK button to wait for syncing. Before listening to music, pair your Bluetooth headphones with the device. Scroll down to enter music menu from your screen. Press the 3 dots icon. Select the top icon to choose your source. Enter Deezer. Enter the playlist that you want to play. Select a song to use your Bluetooth headphones to play. If you have updated new music on your music app, you will need to update your device and allow it to sync. Scroll down to enter music menu. Press the 3 dots icon. Select Manage. Enter music providers. Enter Deezer. Searching for Wi-Fi network. Once you enter my playlist, swipe to the right. Select Yes to sync and update your new playlists.